Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I know you're not going to believe this, but we're going to be doing a DIY project today. And I hope you're going to enjoy how we did it. This is going to be a DIY project that's only going to cost $1.25. Can you believe it? $1.25. I went out to my garden and found some leaves that I liked the shape and color that they were. Once I decided what I want, I brought them in, laid them out, and see how I wanted to do my layout. I had already went to Dollar Tree and picked up one frame at $1, and it's in blue and trimmed in gold. And I got a hot orange paper to put behind it. And so the total cost of this project was $1.25. I think we did pretty good so far on this project. And I wanted to make sure that my leaves are going to pop on that background. Then I flipped my frame over. I opened up the metal little tabs at each corner that hold the backing together. Pulled it off for I could trace around my beautiful orange paper, and I needed to make sure it fit perfectly. So here I laid out my orange paper, put my backing around it, drew around it, as you can see, and that way I can go cut, cut, cut all the way around, and that way it fits perfectly. It's very important to make sure everything is fitting well together before starting your projects. And as you can see, my line was drawn, and of course I had to start cutting. After doing that, I figured out my layout, how I wanted to do it. I put my leaves on my glass to see how I wanted it to look. I think I could have been a little happier how my layout turned out, but this is my first attempt, so I don't want to complain. Then I had to figure out some way of keeping everything from moving and shifting between the glass and the backing. So I used a little bit of Scotch tape, as you can see. You know, Grandma likes to do things a little bit on the inexpensive side. Then I had this really pretty little twig, and I laid it on back of the leaves for they would have more color. Flipped it around, and I thought it turned out pretty good for my first attempt. Next time I'm going to spread it out a little bit more. I think would have been better, and it might have even been better if I'd had 2 more frames and didn't have so many in one frame. That also might be something I will do next time. But anyway, I don't want to complain too much. It's my first attempt, and of course Grandma wanted to stay within a certain budget also. You know, things are getting a little hard right now. Everything is going up in price. I know the whole country is feeling it. Doesn't mean I can't still put up projects on my channel. We're just going to be repurposing more and finding inexpensive DIYs like this. As you can see, it looks really nice inside its frame. I like the backing. Really made the leaves pop so much, don't you think? Let me know what you think. Or do you think I should have used a different background? I personally love the background I picked. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, the nice thing about this frame, you can flip the frame around and let it set one way or the other. And that way, the leaves are going different directions. Let me know which way you like the best. This is how I decided I liked it. Now it's in my living room with my fall decor. For Thanksgiving, I think I'm leaving this up, and then I'll be putting it away and just put a Christmas decor. But for right now, we're into a little bit of fall still because we haven't gotten through Thanksgiving. And I think this will be wonderful. Let me know what you thought of this project for $1.25 that anybody could do, even you and me. Please let me know how you enjoyed this easy, quick DIY project that was only $1.25. And I think it would have even looked better if I'd had 2 more frames and could pick some more beautiful leaves from the garden. Let me know what you think, if 1 looked nice or if 3 would have looked better. I love hearing your comments, and if you're not already following, please push that subscribe button and give me a like also. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. So glad you enjoyed the video today, period. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. You know how much we love you so much. Please let me know what you thought of this inexpensive DIY project. See you in the next video. Please take care, all my friends. Going to have a quick little slideshow. Please sit down and drink your tea and watch. Enjoy.